Okay, area number 2 is across the way from the cabin, which is where this is where we would enter. And obviously we can camp anywhere in here. I will be hiking up there, which will give us a shot over this entire view. And so, but yeah, I'll be hiking up there tomorrow, and then that way we can be able to get another view of how big this area is. Okay, essentially, this would be where base camp would be at. We park cars, plenty of room, obviously, for parking and setting up tents. Basically, I'm gonna scope out over here. I'm gonna record all of this, and then go over here. I will be going up there. That is a ridge. And then also I will be going up possibly there to get another view of the area. There's a ravine that goes back that way. There's also another ravine that goes back that way. All along here, it goes around, is actually a creek bed, and so, you know, it gives it depth. Actually, I don't think it's right here. We'll just walk. But yeah, as you can see, big open area, camping, lots of areas to lay down. There's a lot of this grass, which makes it nice for cushion. Not a whole lot of rocks, which makes it nice, so that way you don't have to move them, and it's not very rocky. We're gonna go this way first. This ultimately, also just want to point out, there is no cabins in this area as far as this goes. So there will be no people around. Okay, we're gonna go this way. And this is a lot built up, a lot more built up than last time I came. So where's that dang creek bed? Ugh. Maybe I missed it. Shoot, I can't remember. Wow, that's a lot of poo. All right, here's the creek bed down here. Good area, shady area. Ugh. We can get up in here, and this goes back, way back there. See, all down in here. Okay, let's cross over. Oh, cows. Moo. Well, good thing I ain't going that way. This is where we played paintball before, but obviously it doesn't look the same because of how much growth there is. But yeah, we used to play here. All right. Okay. Tons of trees. Good brush. Not overpowering on either or. Good for cover. All right, let's get in this tree line a little bit. Ugh. I remember that. All right. Okay, so up here's a big ridge. It's not huge, but you use all this for cover. Obviously, let's get out of that sun. So there we go, that we don't get a glare. I will be going up that way just to see what kind of area is up there. I haven't gone up there. Obviously, I will be going that way. We just came from this way. The road is that way. So, all right. So I'm gonna go back to the ravine. It's just to kind of take a look because I actually haven't been out that way either. And that way is pretty good too. I'll get more video of that. Let's see. I'll go up this way. Well, that goes way back there. And that right there is the end of the rim up there. Stupid flies. Let's go up on this rim, this ridge. I'll do it the other way later. Actually, let's keep going over a little bit. Less brush. Let's go around this way. So far, through what I've seen, going up on this ridge sucks. Too much cover, not enough openness, and it's really steep. I'm not gonna bother going up anymore. It's too bushy, and these bushes have thorns. So I'll go back down. That was that one hill. As you can see, not really worth it. There's that dead tree again. This is a lot easier. Oh, little rabbit right there.